Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. 2025 Brinkley 25X. We are at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. You can see we have tandem doorways, tandem staircase, tandem axle, and a very nice Brinkley 2-inch receiver on the back end. We also have a single slide on the off-camp side. There's the 25X badging. And we'll step up inside. So we have a nice fold-out couch. We do have pass-through storage that goes all the way across for all four cabinets. Your HVAC, theater seating with a center armrest, and here we go with the tandem again, tandem cup holders, and that's directly across from your TV as well as your eating area that you can pull out and use that as your dining area. We have a nice farmer sink with a residential style spray head to wash. Right now it's winterized. That's what this balloon is for. Very nice 3-burner cooktop. And then we have a convention and convection oven. We have a great cabinet up here for cookie sheets. And then we also have down here a place for your trash can, trash bags, paper towel holder, and then 2 slots for whatnot. And I've looked up whatnot, and it means a whole lot of various things. Kind of means something different to each person. We have the refrigerator and freezer, and the doors open left and right, and then freezer on the bottom. Very nice 3-shelf cabinet there, as well as 2 shelf, well, a floor and then an additional shelf. As we step into the bathroom, very nice detail. And let me just show you how much space you have here, as well as a medicine cabinet, towel bars. We have your commode, and then 3 cubbies next to the shower. We have your hooks that Brinkley uses that I think are very nice, so you can fold them up out of the way. And again, your shower exhaust fan. As we step into the bedroom, we have cabinets on left and right, accent lighting. You can see it's flickering a little bit. It's running off solar, and there's not a lot of power. There, they both are on now. Not a lot of power. So we have a drawer on each side, cabinet on each side, cabinets above that go all the way through. Here's that secondary door that we saw outside, the tandem door. Here's more of those hooks. And this is a perfect example of why they're so handy. You have it down, you come in, you could get caught up on this, flip it up out of the way. TV backer location, as well as your plug-in for that. And then you have your HVAC in the bedroom. So really nice setup. It is, again, a 2027 Brinkley 25X. And again, this is offered at Bill Thomas Camper. Thanks again for all the support, watching, and any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.